play a game. Airplane 4, One Last Flight. I don't have premium? Okay, let's settle this. Say hi to the views. Say hi to the views. Okay, so let's go. Let's go. Okay. Oh, okay. Let's go. Okay, so this is Murphy right here. I don't think he really ever been a video. Okay, we're in. Okay. Yes. Murphy's up here. Okay. Everybody. Everybody in? Okay. Let's see if everybody's in. Okay. Okay, sorry. Like, that almost gave me a heart attack. Okay. Okay. I played this before, but I never got to each ending. And some of my friends kind of missed out on it. They weren't online. Okay, let's see. Wakey, wakey, eggs and bacon. I love when he said that. I just said Papa for no reason. Rohamas, okay. Okay. Papa. 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 People are just saying Papa. There's airplane free. Papa. Okay. Oh my, none of you have done your package. This is my bag. Man, he has time to make burgers, but we don't have time to pack up. Dude, what weird. Fruit stores. I'll be doing more with my friends. Okay, let's see where everything is. And I really want that cookie shirt. Looks like we're obsessed with airplanes. Look, I would just want this cookie shirt in this. But I always get the Earth shirt first. Like, I don't know why. Okay, I'm gonna go to the girls' room. Actually, it's called the pink room. Okay. I love the heart. Beautiful. And I also love the ducky shirt. Like I love I like everything. Oh, Papa's just down there cooking. Papa, hi. Papa's just down there. I'm acting so weird. Okay, guys, time to start packing. Let's see what I need. Okay. Already found that shirt? Okay, I already got this shirt. Sup, Papa? Okay, all of them have to go upstairs. There. Packed my first shirt. I really like this game. I just bought it for like 20 Robux. Okay, they got, okay. Go fast, Murphy. Go fast. Oh, go fast. Is he gonna make it? Keegan, are you gonna make it? Keegan? Oh no. No, no, no. Keegan's down alive. I mean, Keegan. Oh, I need to find that. Just, okay. That's the item. Okay. Why do we need pants to go to the Rohanas? I think it's like hot, but I don't mean the actual hot. Like super duper hot. Oh, okay. He finally understands how to play the game. Okay, go quick, guys. I just wait here. So like, oh, this item. Okay. No, shoot, it's in the other room. I like the music in the background. It's like we need to make it on time. Mothers in Ohio when they're trying to wake up their sons. There. Okay. I got everything packed up. Okay. 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 Let's see what's next. Okay. Burgers are almost ready. You might be wondering why am I just wearing a poor style and all my other friends are just wearing. I'm just gonna say follow. 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 And I think he got the badge. Let's see. I'm just sitting down. You like my new skin? Love. I mean, it's a pretty cool style. Love it. Who wants a burger? Me! Me. Yeah, I got the good burger. Okay. Okay, none of them got the bad burger. Okay. I'm gonna save mine. No, I didn't mean to eat mine. I mean, I already got every badge, so. I just went through it. I like how there's like dancing. There. A cookie. Okay, Lightning Team 3. I love Lightning. I just love my friends. I don't mean like love like boyfriend and girlfriend. Like, I just love my friends. How could possibly? Yeah, like who? Yep, I'm the left one. I'm the left one out. Oh, I'm left. What? like rich or something because this house is huge. Man, we're slower than our dad. Oh, is there airplanes in here? Is this a runway? Like, they hear the story. We'll sing. Airplanes in the phone again. Let's go. Yeah, it is funny. I'm gonna say make sure not to die. Make sure not to die. How? Well. What about Papa? Okay, Papa. Okay. Get to the end of the road. Made it. No. Did it. No. I didn't mean for that to happen. Let's go. Okay. Okay. A lot of us are on very low health. That's why I saved up my burger. Did you save your burger? Did you save your burger? Let's follow that. Man. That's so far from us. I ate. Don't cross. No! Road. That's good. Do not cross the road. Okay. Will I die? No. Stay positive. Okay, I got my ticket. I made it through. Let's see if my friends know how to do this. Okay. Keegan's in. You guys have to be careful. You guys have to be careful. Everyone. Other than these women. Papa. No. Oh, Papa, no. I think like everybody has commented in the chat so far. They saw us? Bruh. Then why would you do it? No! I wanted to go to the Bahamas. No. No. Hide. I tricked literally everybody. The dad just standing there like, oh no, let's die. Don't worry, you'll be a part of my army too. The way they just say it is actually creepy. See you in the afterlife. Mwahaha. No! Bro. Can you literally hear the screaming? Let's beat up the dad too. The weird person who's always beating up their dad. Easy. Okay. Papa, are you coming with us? Papa. Wait, where's Papa? He's dead, sweetie. You two keep going without me. Oh, have to wait for everybody else. I like how they just fly out there. Like he's just looking there like nothing ever even happened. Imagine somebody slid so far that I went into his face. Okay, he made it out. Let's see. Let's see. Strange creature. Bro, we would know if that creature was there. It's time to be a hero. But we're like 7 years old in this game. We're all like probably like 8. I hope me don't die. Well, I guess you're lucky. You're lucky. You're lucky.
Let me see if the merge can heat and yeah.
Okay. Oh my. We're staying with Poncho. We're staying with Poncho.
What do I do with this? There's 2 pieces in here.
Okay, just ignore what they're saying.
What do I do with it? Yeah, it's a pitch.
He's trying to beat him up.
This is not cheap.
By the way, who's Rondo? Okay, let's see. Choosing Rondo. I don't know why. I'm just the dumb one out. Did you pay? What? Okay. Oh. Yes.
Okay. I just took a week off from pizza. Peanut butter and jelly. Because those can keep going.
Okay, all of them are following me. Oh shoot, wrong way, wrong way. This way, guys. Oh no, no. This way. Ah! Oh, this way. I keep forgetting it's this way. Oh. Okay, my friends are staying positive, my friends. And we're almost there. I'm almost there. I'm there. Okay, John's there. No. Keegan, no. Keegan. Yes. You did it. Yes, you did it. I'm alive. Bro, no. Okay, there. You were right, Daniel. Pilot Kelly? I thought she was dead. So 3 of you guys were supposed to be dead. Jack? Who even are these people? I mean, I do know Ronald. But it's just, who are these people? Man, stop blocking. Stop blocking the sword. The sword. Okay. Oh, shoot. Keegan's definitely gonna die. I'm sorry, Keegan, but I don't know how you're gonna do this. We need like a team, but... Oh! Oh. Well, looks like I died. Continue. I don't even care. I'm gonna buy Robux until I run out. Bro. Bruh! Bro, what the frick? Bro, what is wrong with this dude? He's like following me. Dude, you're following people. Bro, how are we gonna... Oh my god. Man, his booty's huge. No, somebody's dead. Keegan's back. I made it. Am I gonna make it? Bro, it's like he's going after me. Ah! No! Oh, that was so close. Bruh. Bro! I made it. Bro. Another Robux spent. And then back in. Oh. Yeah. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Made it. Made it. Ah. Man, this is a normal day in Ohio. Bro, it's getting like harder and harder for us to beat him. Bro. Can we just beat you up, dude? Like, I'm just serious now. I want to beat him up. Because he's bad. He's like a... Oh, shoot! Oh, I made it. Oh, did he make it? We killed him! We did it. We did it. We actually made it. We did it. We won. Bro, we're gonna get the badge. Everyone get out of here. But how? Did we just die? Hey! Donald Trump? Okay, I'm not allowed to say that. Oh, he's Ronald Trump. That makes more sense. I'm a big fan. He's a big fan of Donald. Dad? Dad? want to see my daddy. Yo. It is. Yes. Yo, we got the badge. Bro, that was so fun. So fun. Okay, so that's it for this day's video. Bye.